Hello everyone, my name is Kaustubh Krishna Parse and I am from Kolhapur, and I have done my graduation BSc Bachelor from Shivaji University Kolhapur. Today is my Viva topic is city life versus village life. First of the choice between city life and village life often depends on the personal preference and priorities. First is the city life. City life is the more facilitable than village life. The first point is convenience. Cities offer easy access to amenities like shopping malls, restaurants, and entertainment venues or entertainment things. Second one is career opportunities. Career city life is a high. City life is a career opportunities high in a city life. Cities usually have wider range of job opportunities and lifestyles. Next is cultural diversities. Cities are diverse in terms of cultures, foods, and peoples. Next is infrastructure. Better infrastructure such as a public transportation, healthcare facilities, and educational systems. Next is in city life, lack of communication with neighbors, and high level living cost in city life. Therefore, totally opposite village life to a city life. Village life is a piece of quiet. Villages tends to be quieter and offer a slower phase of life. There is a community difference, stronger sense of community, and closer relationship with neighbors and surrounding peoples. Compared to the city life, the village life's cost of living is much lower, and daily basis things cost are low in village life. Main part of the village life are environment, natural environment with clear air and no pollution, and more greenery are there. Ultimately, the choice between city life and village life depends on individual. For career opportunities, lifestyles, and community. That's all. Thank you.